Find the printer pin for the HP DeskJet 2800, 4200, and 4900 printer series. The printer pin is a secure feature designed for HP printers to access embedded web server settings. This pin prevents unauthorized users from accessing or modifying printer settings. Open the ink cartridge access door. Locate the label inside the cartridge access area to view the factory default credentials. The credentials include the printer pin. Close the cartridge access door. If the default pin number has been changed and a custom pin has been set, press the I button on the printer control panel to print an information report. This report will have the new pin number on it.